Our topic is how to find all the children from a parent. For example, assume that I have HTML structure like this. Okay, I have HTML structure where I have a division tag here. Okay, under this division tag, I have some other HTML tags available. Say like input tag, I have a select tag. Under this select tag, I have option tag. Okay, I'll be having multiple options, right, for a select tag. And now, so though these experiments are not accurate, but I'm just trying to give the visualization of the parent and child here. And again, I have a UL tag, right? Under this UL, I have again a LA tag available like this. Okay, and my division is going to be closed here. Fine. Now on this HTML structure, how can I identify all the children that are available? This div tag. Okay. Now, what are the children available here? So under this div, we have one indentation, right? So input is going to be called as one children. Select is going to be called as one children. UL is going to be called as one children, right? So under select, we have two more tags available called as option. Okay. So from this division, input is going to be called as a direct child. From this division, this option is going to be called as descendant. From this division, input is going to be called as direct child. From this division, this option is going to be called as descendant. Okay. So now my question is, from the parent tag, identify all the children tags. Identify all the child tags. Okay. First question. Next question is, from the parent tag, identify all the input tags. Okay. From the parent tag, you need to identify all the input tags. Now for this scenario, how can we write your export? Now let us see how to get your children from your parent. So for that, there is a syntax available, guys. There is a syntax available. So what is the syntax is, you have to write // your HTML tag at the rate of ID or at the rate of attribute, right, is equal to some value. Just write some value, right? // child double colon HTML tag. Or else, if you want to get all the tags, right, then what you want to do here is HTML tag. Just let me copy this everything, right, and paste it here. Instead of HTML tag, just put a star. Okay. Now what it will do? Identify children with HTML tag. Okay. So now this one is going to be indicates here. Get all children. Okay. So here we are going to get all the children from your parent. Okay. Now let us see the same example on your website also. Okay. So let me go and open a website. Okay. So for example, let me go and identify this page. So now here I have something called my account. Under this my account, there are some links available. Under this my account, there are some set of links available. So now I need to extract all the links that are available here. So how can I extract it? So now let me go and inspect the page. Now fine. Okay. So let me move just beside to this and scroll down. Yeah. Now I need to identify all the children that is available under my account. Okay. So now let me go here. Now if you observe here the HTML structure, I have my account as a HTML tag that is available inside my strong. Okay, inside my strong tag that is available here. But if you see here, this strong alone, my account is alone is available in between a division tag. Okay, under this I don't have anything. I have only my account tag alone. Okay, now just collapse it. Now where are my elements are available? My elements are available under this UL. My elements are available under this UL. Okay, now let me expand this and see here under each LI I got all my links. Under each LI I got my all the links. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is now this UL and this LI is going to be called as parent and child. This UL and this LI is going to be called as parent and child. Okay, so now if I want to get all the LIs, first what I want to do, I want to identify this UL. But for this UL, if I observe here, there is no HTML attribute available. I have only class. If I start using my class, right, what will happen? I'll be getting multiple elements. So now there is no any element available which is going to give me a unique one. Now what I did, right? I went and look here for this division. Even for this division also, right, there is no any unique attribute available. So I just expanded this now. I just expanded my div tag and I started observing here, is there any unique element available? But though there is no any attributes available, but there is a element which is available with the static text which is called as my account. Okay. So now there is a scope for me to start identify the unique element. From there I can able to go and identify all my child. Okay, so now what I'm doing here, I'm going to identify first this my account tag. From here I'll start moving towards this element. But the problem again here is there is no direct path or there is no direct way to go and identify this UL tag. There is no direct way to go and identify this UL tag. So how can I move on? So now follow my steps now. So just go and identify this element which is going to be of constant type. So now we already know, right? When there is a pair HTML tag, we'll be having your inner text. Okay. So now double forward slash. So what is your HTML tag here? Strong is my HTML tag. I'm going to use my text method. Text equal to my account. Right. So let me move this side. So text equal to my account, single quotes here. Yes, obviously I got this. Now how should I move on? There is a close tag available. I cannot able to go directly to this element. So only way is I want to move to the top. From there, I want to come to my UL. So my direction would be like this now. So how should I move on? So from this strong element, right? I want to move to my division. Okay. From this division, I want to come to my UL. So, but this division and this UL, right? They are available in the same line. Okay. Now from this strong, what is the relation to this div? It is going to be called as parent. I explained in my previous video. So when the elements are available in the same line, we are going to be called as what? We are going to call them as siblings. Okay. Now what I want to do from this strong, I want to identify my division element. From this division, I want to move to my UL with the relationship called as siblings. So for the following sibling. So for this division, this UL is available as following because after this div only we have this UL tag. Okay. So such type of scenarios we are going to be taking as consideration of following sibling. Now fine. So now let's clear this and start writing your relationship here now. So now from this my account, what I want to do, I want to go to the topper level. So to the top level, right? What is the syntax? So the syntax is going to be called as parent. So the relationship for the strong, right, to the div, we are going to be called as parent. Parent colon, sorry, double quote. Parent colon div, right? Because it's the only parent one. So from this parent, I want to go to this UL. So for this strong, for this division and this UL, what is the relationship? Siblings. Okay. So now, what is the sibling? Following sibling. FOLLOWING. Following hyphen sibling, right? Colon UL. UL. See here, from this strong, I started going to the topper level. From this top level, what I did, I came to my sibling level now. So from this UL, I want to get all the childs. So now use your child colon star. Now see, I could able to see all the LI tags that are being identified. So let me move this side now. Now see here, I could able to get all the elements. Okay. Now if I expand this, I could see like A also one of the HTML tag. Now what I'll do here is to get more precise elements, right? To get more precise element, what I'll do, I'll use my LI. I'll be getting all LI. Sometimes under this LI we might have another element also. So I want to get all the HTML tags of type A. So under LI, I want to get only the anchor tags. Now see, it will get all the anchor tags that are available inside my each and every LI tag. So this is the way, right? How to get your child elements. So Pratap, I don't want to see like this, right? If I want to get all the HTML tags, right, then I'll put a star. No, Pratap, I want to get only the specific type of tags. Then use this, right? We can able to get all the things. So now the lesson that I learned here is when I try to identify any element, when I try to identify any element, when there is no scope of getting that particular element, the first approach is go and see if there is any static element that is available near to you. For the static element, did you find any attributes available? So if you don't find any attributes available, then second approach is go and see what type of HTML tag. If the tag is paid HTML tag, definitely you'll be having a label for that, right? Inner text, not a label, inner text. Try to write your text, use your text method and identify that particular element. Okay. So from there, just start writing your relationship. How to go and reach your desired element. Either you want to go from the child to parent or from child to sibling. What is the relationship? So you have to take the appropriate relationship. Then you can able to identify your elements.